Mamelodi Sundowns are preparing to launch their CAF Champions League group stage campaign on Saturday with one eye on the pitch, with the other on an unresolved eligibility saga that could still reshape their group. The Brazilians, still haunted by last season's agonizing defeat in the final, are determined to start strong against DRC Congo outfit Saint Elo Lipopo. But with CAF yet to rule on Orlando Pirates' appeal related to Lupopo's player resignations, the structure of the group remains in flux just days before kick-off. Pirates were eliminated by Lupopo on penalties after a 3-3 aggregate draw in the final qualifying round. The Soweto Giants have since escalated the matter of the field, demanding that CAF probe the eligibility of Henok Molia, allegedly registered outside the FIFA transfer window, and Wanet Kashala, who is believed to hold two passports. CAF has offered no update on the case, leaving the football landscape braced for a potential twist. Should Pirates be reinstated, the group dynamic would shift dramatically, reviving South Africa's most heated modern rivalry and setting up a blockbuster showdown that never materialized in last season's competition. Adding an extra layer of intrigue is the presence of MC Alger, coached by Roland Mokoena, the former Sundowns and Pirates boss who remains unbeaten after 8 matches in the Algerian league. His team sits top of the table with 3 games in hand, and Mokoena himself may feel he has unfinished business on the continent after his unexpected exit from Sundowns at the start of last season. For Sundowns, a Pirates return presents both threat and opportunity. While Pirates are likely a stronger opponent than Lupopo, Sundowns could avoid the grueling trip to the DR Congo and instead face a familiar foe. The sides have already met 3 times this season, with all matches ending 1-1, evidence of just how evenly matched they are. But Sundowns would hold a psychological advantage. They have long been planning for the stage, while Pirates will be thrust into a tactical and mental scramble. Completing the group is Al Hilal SC, currently based in Rwanda's Premier League because of the civil war in Sudan. After years of group stage frustrations, Hilal broke through to last season's quarterfinals and now aim for their first semi-final appearance since 2015. Sundowns entered this campaign with a formidable group stage record, having progressed to the knockout rounds in each of their last attempts, including a final and 2 semi-finals in the past 3 seasons. But with uncertainty lingering and heavyweight rivals circling, their journey this year promises even greater drama. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.